Teach me to be strong, help me to be close. Tell me when I'm wrong, be my guide. Lead me through the night, keep me focused on you. Help me overcome, lead me home.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okpe, and if you're just joining us for the first time, welcome. So today I want to teach you guys how I tie my turbans for days that I have bad hair days, bad edges days, or you just can't deal with your hair, or you just want to be fly and be a turbanator girl. I'm going to show you guys at least maybe 5 styles. They are pretty easy. This is a chiffon material. Is it chiffon? I don't know. You shall see through. I have this pashmina. This is just a random scarf. They sell it everywhere because most of my scarves are see-through, or if I just want the volume and I want it to be really big, I use this pashmina under first, then I tie this one on top. So this one can be really rough when you're tying it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but then this one has to be perfect. So
remove from me this little foxes and every weight, lest I should fall. Let my desires be for things above. Present me blameless when you're revealed. Let this same grace that kept the old saints usher me home where I see you. Teach me to be strong, help me to be close. Tell me when I'm wrong, be my guide. Lead me through the night, keep me focused on you. Help me overcome, lead me home. Jesus, teach me to be strong, help me to be close, and tell me when I'm wrong, be my guide. Lead me through the night, keep me focused on you. Help me overcome, lead me home when my faith is shaken. Jesus, be there my Prince of Peace, and keep me from falling. Jesus, oh, wrap me in your embrace. Jesus, when my faith is shaken,
so all I did was take off the other parts and I just left it down.
Holy Jesus, oh, wrap me in your embrace and help me know that I'm never alone. Teach me to be strong, help me to be close. Tell me when I'm wrong, my God. Lead me, teach me, oh, help me overcome. Oh, lead me on and teach me Jesus. Oh, tell me when I'm wrong, be mine. Oh, lead me, Lord. Help me.
So guys, these are my easy ways I tie my turban if I'm going out. If you like this video and you want simple, easy day-to-day hacks like this, let me know. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Thanks for hanging with me. Peace out. Kisses.
I can go on.